Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about variance in sports betting and what it means. Now, variance in sports betting basically refers to the likelihood of you going on a long streak of getting winnings in your account or losing bets. And this is really important for people at Profit Gateway because we're always hedging and we're making guaranteed profit regardless. The higher the odds, often the higher the profit. So you can get an idea of the chance of your profits landing in one account versus another. Nonetheless, you're always going to make money. So let's continue on. If you want to get started with that, drop in the description. So variance in sports betting, what is it? Well, we covered variance in casinos in another video, but in sports betting, it basically refers to that swing in wins and losses. So normally that correlates directly to the odds of the bet you're taking, okay? So the closer the odds are to even money, or 1-to-1, or plus 100, the more likely it is that that bet is going to win compared to something with odds of plus 300, for example. So if I was betting on the Sacramento Kings versus the Utah Jazz, okay, that would mean that I would get odds of plus 114 for the Sacramento Kings, as you can say. And then if we kept betting on odds like that, you're going to find that, you'll win and lose, win and lose, win and lose. Obviously, if you're gambling, you'll lose overall. But if you're using Profit Gateway, you won't. You'll make money. So if we then swap to odds of, for example, plus 300, the chance of us winning goes down. So it's likely we might lose, and then win, because it's a lower chance of us actually winning at higher odds. So you can see that the variance gets higher when we put the odds up, okay? In other words, the higher the odds of the team we're betting on, plus 300, plus 400, 500, plus 1,000, the less likely it is we'll win. So we'll have to place more bets until we win with that amount. Alternatively, if it's a lower odds bet, you're more likely to win frequently, okay? So therefore, it would be a lower variance. Because the odds are lower and you're betting on a favourite, it's more likely you'll win. So higher odds, high plus numbers are going to give you a higher variance. Low numbers in the minus are going to give you a lower variance. And it just dictates basically how often you'll win and lose. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that really helps. See you in the next one.